Hello everyone, welcome to JamPre. My name is Lucian and today I'm going to show you two methods on how to create masking layers using Krita. So let's get started. First I'm going to create a new project. My canvas size will be in 1080 by 1920 pixels with a resolution of 500. Now I'm going to drag in two textures as two separate layers. One will be the background and the other one is the texture to which I'm going to apply the mask to. So to create a masking layer, I'm going to create a new empty layer on which I will just draw a circle. Now we will group these two layers together by hitting Ctrl G. So now all we have to do is to click this little button that looks like a small A next to the layer lock button. Now for the second method, I'm going to drag in another texture as a new layer that I want to use as a mask. And all we have to do is select the layer which I want to use as a mask and hit Ctrl, Shift and G, which will create a quick masking group. On the top layer of this group, we can now just draw whatever we want. And as you can see, nothing crosses the boundary of the mask. And there you go. You have now successfully created an easy masking layer. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, leave them in the comments below. And with all that said, have fun creating.